Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add Klarna to Stripe. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Stripe dashboard and don't actually come here under payments. Come here and click on the gear cog at the top right to access your settings. And here you'll see your product settings section. And here you should see payments. I want you to click on payments. And then here you'll see payment methods. Okay, click on this. And I want you to just go ahead and scroll down until you see Klarna. So let's scroll down here. There we go. We have Klarna. Go ahead and click on this. Okay, and then click on turn on. And it should be enabled. And once it is enabled, it will automatically, go ahead and be added as a payment option on your store. Really that easy. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.